there's that AdSense earning. Don't mind about noise in the background. I'm in a noisy place, but I felt I need to share with you this. This is to creators who want to do creation, that is content creation, and from your post you get AdSense earnings. AdSense earnings. AdSense earnings is that amount of money that you get when the advertisers do press adverts on your videos, and it always goes to, this is across, whether it is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. There's that AdSense earning. Don't mind about noise in the background. I'm in a noisy place, but I felt I need to share with you this. So everybody, creators, I know you might be there, you want to start content and you feel, no, I need content, I need to do content, but there's someone who's inspiring you because has a lot of views, in quotes, has a lot of views. The majority of us, we don't know that money is not from views. So recently I tried to make a survey because my team was like, no, Christine, you do like this, do like that. I said, okay, let me jump in, because when you're working as a team, either when you're building a brand, you don't do it as an individual, you do it as a team. So I've been telling you guys that money on social media is not tagged on views. No. Yeah, the views, they call them monetized views. So meaning there are other views which are not monetized. What are these views that are not monetized? The views which are not monetized, especially I'm going to talk about unoriginal content. The system knows this is not original. So, because you're seeing this post has very many views, you might think this is the amount of money. No. Now, when I go to Facebook, we've been seeing a lot of people complaining on Facebook. Join with me. I'm doing this video, guys. Don't mind me. It's a mind-blowing video, so don't fail for us. And I'm doing it in my break time at work. This is why I tell you, there is no excuse for you not to make money on social media platform. So I'm using 10 minutes, by the way, to make this video. It's not going to be edited. It is going to be raw, natural, and I'll post it. So, we are talking about why are some people not paid and they have a lot of views. It's because most of those videos you see are going viral. Those videos are not original. So a video, someone is going to pick a video from one platform that is trending and brings it to another platform, and of course it is going to trend. Whether you have followers or you don't have followers, that video will trend and you'll get a lot of views. But the gist is, you're not going to earn money out of that. I'm going to put for you one of the video. I think I got one day, I decided to make a simple survey on an original content. I only was praying that it should not harm my page. And I tried it on Facebook. This video you see did not get any kobo because it's not original, and most people have prayed it, have posted it, unless you have time and add value. And also if you add a value, it might move, it might not move like the way it moves when it is posted like that, because the public needs to see those things. Come think about it. You have a lot of views, but you can't cash out. Is it logical? Would you love to have all those such views but without money? I know the answer is no. I know you want money. The same applies to posts. Photos, the moment the photo gets an engagement, like on Facebook, of up to like 60 and above, within 3 hours it will be earning. But now the moment you bring another photo which is trending, For example, like this photo you can see on the screen. This photo was trending because of what this artist did. But trust me, most people posted, and you'll get engagement, you'll get views, but you'll not get money. So let's come to conclusion, guys. Let's be slow but sure, because just imagine you having billions of views and completely you have less money. At the end you might get violations. And there's someone who I've learned to build things steadily. We are just conversing today. Views vis-a-vis amount of money. If you're beginning to be a social media entrepreneur right now, I don't want you to focus on views. I want you to focus on your content, valuable content. Okay, you'll find people are tired, like my niche. My niche is very complicated, by the way you can twist it. You can twist it. So really, I felt like I need to tell you, because the research I conducted, I saw it is useless to have a lot of views and you don't have money. And someone is posting simple, calm content, original, and is getting money. Okay? So this is the way to go. Just sit down. If you're into blogging, especially blogging, you want to inform people about what is happening around the world, you have also to do it tactfully. You have to add value. By adding value, that is also a lot of time. So sit down and check your niche. Then out of your niche, you start doing something original. It's not wise for you to have billions of views, engagement to be high, and you cannot earn money from it. It's very, very unfair. If you know you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. And if you're saying no, it's okay to have views and engagement without money, you get fame, people are looking at you, let me also know it in the comment section.